welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn conditional sentences. A conditional sentence expresses that one event depends on another. So there are two parts in one conditional sentence. So the first part of the sentence states the condition and often begins with if, unless or when. The second part of the sentence describes the result of the condition. So, there are four types of conditional sentences. First one is zero conditional. It is used for general truths and facts. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. It means यदि तुम बर्फ को गर्म करोगे तो वह पिघल जाएगी. The next one is if your ground is cold, you can see your breath. यदि जमीन ठंडी है तो आप अपनी सांस देख सकते हैं. When you don't exercise, you gain weight. जब आप व्यायाम नहीं करते तो आपका वजन बढ़ता है. If I feel tired, I go to bed early. अगर मुझे थकान महसूस होती है तो मैं जल्दी सो जाता हूँ. When it rains, the grass gets wet. जब बारिश होती है तो घास गीली हो जाती है. If you press the button, the lights turn on. यदि आप बटन दबाते हैं तो प्रकाश चालू हो जाता है. So this was zero conditional and the next one is first conditional. It is used for real or likely future situations and the examples are if it rains, we will stay inside. अगर बारिश होगी तो हम अंदर ही रहेंगे. If she studies hard, she will pass the exam. अगर वह मन लगाकर पढ़ाई करेगी तो वह परीक्षा पास कर लेगी. If you don't hurry, you will miss the bus. यदि आप जल्दी नहीं करेंगे तो बस छूट जाएगी. If they finish their chores, they can watch TV. अगर वे अपना काम खत्म कर ले तो वे टीवी देख सकते हैं. If we miss the bus, we will be late for school. अगर हम बस से चूक गए तो हमें स्कूल के लिए देरी हो जाएगी. If the shop is open, I'll buy milk. अगर दुकान खुलती है तो मैं मिल्क खरीदूंगा. So this was first conditional and the next one is second conditional. It is used for hypothetical or unlikely situations. Let's see the examples. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. अगर मैं लॉटरी जीत गया तो मैं दुनिया की यात्रा करूंगा. If I were a millionaire, I would buy a private jet. अगर मैं करोड़पति होता तो मैं एक निजी जेट खरीदता. If you studied harder, you would pass the exam. यदि आप अधिक मेहनत से पढ़ाई करेंगे तो आप परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो जाएंगे. She would be happier if she had more friends. अगर उसके ज्यादा दोस्त होते तो वह ज्यादा खुश होती. If it rained, we would stay inside. अगर बारिश होती तो हम अंदर ही रहते. I would lend you money if I had any. अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं तुम्हें उधार देता. So this was second conditional and the next one is third conditional. It is used for hypothetical situations in the past that did not happen and the example is if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. अगर मैंने और मेहनत से पढ़ाई की होती तो मैं परीक्षा पास कर लेता. If I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. अगर मुझे पता होता कि तुम आ रहे हो तो मैं केक बना लेता. If it had rained, you would have gotten wet. अगर बारिश होती तो तुम भीग जाते. If you had told me, I would have helped you. अगर आपने मुझे बताया होता तो मैं आपकी मदद करता. If we had left earlier, we would have avoided the traffic. अगर हम पहले निकल जाते तो हम ट्रैफिक से बच सकते थे. He would have been happier if he had stayed at home. अगर वह घर पर रहता तो वह ज्यादा खुश रहता. So friends, this was third conditional and we have understood all conditional sentences in detail with examples. So I hope आपको conditional sentences का concept अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. So if you all found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.